Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can delete previous theme on WordPress. Okay, so this is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on your site name in the top left and you want to click on dashboard. Okay, as you can see, now it's going to take you guys to the dashboard. Now what you guys need to do is you want to click on appearance here in the left, as you can see. After, guys, you click on appearance, you will be able to see all your previous themes here. Now of course you will have to pick one like theme, which is going to be your active theme, which you cannot delete your active theme, but you can delete your previous themes. Now what you guys need to do is you want to pick which theme you want to remove. You want to click on it, and after that, if you scroll down at the very bottom here, you will see a delete button. Okay, just click on it, because I'm not able to see it because I didn't pick the WordPress plan. I'm not paying for the plan right now, so you will see here like a delete button here. Just click on it and you will be able to delete your previous theme from WordPress. You can also delete like multiple previous themes if you have them, like if you have multiple themes, if you have used multiple themes before, you can delete all these themes here. Okay, I'll just click on them and you will be able to set delete button here. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, and drop a like, and see you guys next video.